Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we've got friend mail from a lovely friend and subscriber, Morag, and I was really surprised. We had a conversation earlier on in the week and she said, can you pull out the Primark marble blusher a bit like the Hourglass one? And I was a bit confused because I'm like, Primark? I don't have it. I don't know if I've ever had it and just decluttered it. I guess we'll find out in a minute. But she sent me a picture of it and I didn't feel like I'd ever had that blush. So she said, I can send it to you if you want. I've only ever used it once. She said that when she used it, it showed texture on her. So I said, yeah, if you don't want it, I'd love to try it for the channel. So I said, I'll try it in a live so you can see how it applies on me. Guys, I'm really sorry that there's not been a live now for, I don't know whether it's coming up 4 weeks or just 3 weeks, but even so it's too long. I normally do them twice a week. Trust me when I say there's a lot going on behind the scenes, and I will get into it. My health isn't the best, so I'm not really doing that many videos. I've got enough videos at the moment till Friday of next week, and then I've got nothing. I'm trying to get a few more up, like there's this one going to go up probably as a bonus video, and I'll try and get a few more up. I don't know what's going to come up in the next couple of weeks, but like I said, I do want to get a few more videos up and scheduled, and then hopefully, if I think what's going to happen is going to happen, then there'll be some videos for you there. If not, then it just can't be helped. Let's get into what Morag sent me. So she sent me a lovely card. It says, I'm thinking of you. And inside she put a really nice frame thanking me for all my videos. That she hopes I feel better soon. So yeah, I mean, that card is absolutely beautiful. So thank you for that, Morag. I'll put that at the back there somewhere. I'll put that at the back there with the rest of my beautiful cards. And then let's show you the box of goodies. So this is the box of goodies she sent me. Isn't that box adorable? It's a glossy box one. Now I've not ordered from Glossy Box in years. And then it says the Art of Beauty in it. I think I'm going to keep the box, put it in my drawer and put my lippies in it. Let me get that blush out so I can show you where it all stemmed from. I think this is it. Something smells gorgeous in there. And what I really like about what she's done with this package is she's put stickers on. She knows I'm a Disney fan. I think everyone knows I'm a Disney fan. And there's the two sisters, Anna and Elsa there. So let's get into this. Right, so marble blush with vitamin E. That's what it looks like. Yeah, you can tell it's barely been used. Let's see. Oh, that's a beautiful colour though. Very light though. I think it's one of those that you need to build up. Very light and peachy and like glowy. You know, perfect for summer. So yeah, she sent me that. Then I'll show you this because this came in a separate package. So she also sent me that. I think it's shortbread. Me and my mum get this shortbread all the time. Look at all the stickers she's put on. Yeah, and she said in her card, I hope you enjoy this Pamper box I put together for you. I honestly didn't expect it. I expected a blusher. So when the postwoman came this morning and knocked on the door, and she's like, I've got a parcel for you. I'm like, a parcel? I'm not really expecting anything because I've forgotten about the blusher, to be honest. Yeah, these are the ones me and my mum get. So that's what they look like. Patterson shortbread. I really like them. So yeah, I'm sure me and my mum will love them. I'll probably take them to her house. And then we'll go back into the box. So again, it's absolutely beautiful. Hey, we're matching. We're wearing the same nails. Right, so on top there's a couple of samples. So there's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I absolutely love this stuff. I need to get some more of it. So there's a couple of those that I can be using. So yeah, I will be getting some more of that really soon. And then she sent me this beautiful necklace. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. It would probably look nice with this dress I've got on now. Just so stunning. So yeah, I'll get use out of that. Thank you, Morag. It's really pretty. It's definitely me. It's by a brand called Ayla, and it says semi-precious. Semi-precious will be the stones. I like this bit here, and I love all the like little stones on it. So that's that. Then she sent me some clips, which are really nice. I won't get them into my hair, I don't think, when it's like this. Let's try one. Oh yeah, I will. I think I've got more chance of getting these into my hair when it's straight. So look out to see those when my hair's straight. So we've got that. Then she sent me the Scent Sensationals Festival Vibes Sunset Berry Bliss limited edition scented wax cubes. Looks like that. That's what I could smell earlier. It smells absolutely freaking gorgeous. It smells like it's basically covered the entire box. It's an absolutely beautiful scent. Then I got some Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes, eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Oh, they're cute and they're so soft. That will be really good to remove my eye makeup, because I'm just using an actual microfiber, not microfiber, but like this, but like quite big. So yeah, that'll be good for that. Morag, you've sent me so many nice things, thank you. Then we've got a hair mask with coconut oil and murumuru butter. So it's by Style Dry, it's coconut and fig, and it just looks like that. It's doesn't tell me how many. Oh wait, you're getting 50 mils, and it says this soup hair mask with coconut oil and murumuru butter is for healthy looking, hydrated and glossy hair. It's a must-have hair mask for the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will look silky and shiny as never before. They're quite bold claims, aren't they? How to use: gently work the mask through your hair from root to tip, leave for 10 minutes before rinsing, and voila, you're good to go. Use 1 to 2 times per week as needed. I've got a couple of hair masks open. This one isn't open at all, so I'm not going to open it. I'd love to smell it, but I'm not going to. Right, then we've got this, and like I saw all this before obviously I filmed this video, and I'm curious about this. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a body mist. Oh, we could spray some of this on now if I can get it open. It's by Eureka. Oh, at first I thought maybe it just comes like that. Sorry guys, I didn't even show it to you. It just, like, at first I thought it was a face mist or something, or a setting spray. Okay, let's smell it. Shall I just put it on my arm? Oh, that's nice. It's called Tropique. 50 mils. mist onto the body for a light refreshing fragrance mist. That small bottle. So yeah, that's really, really nice. Can't wait to add that to my body mist. That'll be my third one, or is it my fourth? Yeah, that'll be my third one. And then we've got this. So we've got the Percy and Reed London Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So that's that. So that'll be going in with my hair things. We've got a couple of masks. So we've got the Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye, Vitalising Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. I need this so badly for my under eyes, so I really appreciate you sending it to me, Morag, thank you. Then we've got the Calendula Calming Soon Mask, and I need this as well. I am so stressed, it's unbelievable. Deep hydrating sheet, it can have mild care for sensitive skin and calming effects. Let's have a quiet time with Calendula, stress down for your skin. And that's that one there. And then we're doing the last two products. So I've heard so much about Wonder 2, mainly for the brow products, but I saw this and I've never seen this before. And I'm like, oh, a lip scrub. I don't really have lip scrubs, so I'm really, really happy to have it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it just looks like a normal lip scrub. Wonder 2 is quite expensive. Doesn't smell of anything, so I'll be getting use out of that. What does it say? It says Wonder Kiss Essential Lip Scrub hydrates and exfoliates any dry skin to reveal soft and supple lips. A combination of sugar particles and shea butter, this formula deeply moisturises and smooths the lips instantly. A must for the ultimate lip look. So that's that. And then she also sent me one of Ciate's velvet lip liners. So it says it's a long wear lip liner. It says it's long lasting formula, intense pigment, and it's in the shade Cocoa. So that sounds like it's going to be a brown, which I don't really have any brown lip liners, so that's really, really good. It would probably have gone with this lipstick I'm wearing today. So it looks like that. I really like Ciate products, and looks like that. Shall we swatch some on the back of the hand? Oh, it's actually lighter. I think it would still go with the lipstick I'm wearing now, but it's actually lighter. It's more rosy, if you can see that there. So yeah, this is everything that I got sent off Morag. Morag, you have gone above and beyond. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you thinking about me. It means so much to me, and so does your friendship. Thank you so much once again. So Morag doesn't have a channel. If I could send you over to her channel, then I would, but she doesn't have one. Please like this video, it would mean the absolute world to me and helps my channel out massively. Share and comment, and subscribe if you're new here. I would massively appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.